Literacy is a bridge from misery to hope. Merriam-Webster's dictionary defines literacy as a quality or state of being literate, educated, able to read and write. But why are we talking about literacy? Well, today is International Literacy Day. In next few minutes, I will be talking about this day. If you find this video useful and informative, do share this video. History of International Literacy Day. September 8 was proclaimed as International Literacy Day at the 14th session of United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, or UNESCO General Conference on 26 October 1966. Since 1967, International Literacy Day celebrations have taken place annually around the globe. The objective of World Literacy Day. Number 1. To recognize the importance of literacy as a matter of dignity and human rights. Number 2. To advance the literacy agenda towards a more literate and sustainable society. Number 3. To spread awareness among individuals, communities, and countries. Why to celebrate this day? Literacy Day is celebrated to show light on global literacy needs with mission literacy for everyone and everywhere. It is an opportunity for government and civil society to highlight the issue of literacy and remaining literacy challenges. Every year, UNESCO decides the theme for International Literacy Day to raise awareness about literacy issues. This year, the theme of International Literacy Day 2020 will focus on literacy teaching and learning on COVID-19 crisis and beyond, with a focus on role of educators and changing pedagogies. The main objective of International Literacy Day 2020 is how the innovative and efficient productivity can be used for the youth and adult literacy program to face this pandemic and beyond difficulties. Few facts about this day. Fact number 1. International Literacy Day is an international observance and not a public holiday. Fact number 2. On this day, international literacy prizes are awarded to the people for their excellent literacy practices around the globe. Fact number 3. UNESCO report suggests that due to increased access to schooling, the global youth literacy rate has increased to 91%. Fact number 4. Literacy is a part of United Nations 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development, which aims to promote lifelong learning opportunities for all. Fact number 5. Right to literacy is a human right and a means of personal empowerment.